welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Okay, back to school starts in like 7 days for me, and you already know what that means. It's time to prepare for school. We've got a lot to do. Yeah, it's gonna be an adventure. Today I'm gonna be doing the first thing to glow up for back to school, and that is getting my nails done. I'm sorry in advance, this is so embarrassing. Look at how outgrown my nails are. Literally every time I shower, my hair is like getting caught in my nail, and it's just the most annoying thing ever. I don't know what color or like what I want to do yet though, but it's been like a month and a half since I got my nails done and they look pretty bad. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at how freaking cute my nails are. So I did like an ombre tips of the color blue. Wait, can you see it better from afar? But yeah, basically my school colors are blue, royal dark blue, and so I just figured I would do like a blue little theme for the first day of school. My favorite nail tech there, her name is Lily. She's literally the sweetest thing ever. She gave me like 12 of these little snacks. They're like Asian snacks, but I have no idea what they are. I'm gonna bring this home to my family as well, and we'll enjoy it tonight. I'm gonna go home now, and then I'm not sure what the next process in this prepare for school with me is, but I'll figure it out. Holy crap. You won't believe where I'm at right now. I'm at my old public school, you guys. Maddie got fined for parking at like the school without having a parking pass, and so she has to pay these fees now. We're going to go grocery shopping, and I figured I would just take y'all along with me because food is great and I'm excited to get some snacks for back to school season. Also, my Good Morning America segment aired this morning. I literally woke up at like 6 a.m. to watch it. Oh, it was amazing. Okay. Guys, this is the best sausage ever, Duke's.
You know it's the best sausage?
Maddie thinks I would eat this.
You would.
This shit is disgusting.
You would.
No, I would never. But you know what I do eat? We eat this at home. Mootown.
Oh my gosh, like these with this with soup.
The chicken noodle soup. This stuff is like fake. Like I know
but
it's fake.
So good.
But it's so gas.
Wait,
and for what? I tried these last year. I absolutely hated them. They upset my stomach so much. Madison.
Don't put that in. Wait.
Dude, I want to go to Target so bad and for no reason.
You want to go?
Yeah, let's go.
But can you drive?
Yeah, I'll drive. Y'all want to hear what Maddie and I are doing later today?
Oh, sorry. I'm so... I want something for my lunches. Like,
we should get Lunchables for the first day. I just can't believe like the fact that this is actually a thing.
The fact that people have actually bought this, or they're just making it look like people have. I don't know.
Almond butter syrup.
This is the
That's
best
what
syrup,
I need.
but it's $15. And so I would only have it when I went to my grandma's house. It's so good because it's real.
Hey guys, we're at Chick-fil-A, but actually not there because the line is a mile long. So we might be waiting here for a fat minute.
Okay, this person's not going. I am. Because I've been here. Pull up. Pull up. Oh my god.
Maddie, you want to tell them how much money your coin machine got you?
It got me $13, but literally it was like this many. I'm very proud. This car is mad at me.
Which one?
Oh my god.
How do you know?
Look how close they are to my car. Then it was my turn. You know how long I've been waiting there.
Is that a fan in the back of the car? Okay, here's my little mini HEB grocery haul. I've got rice rollers. These are so good. Strawberries, granola bars, and then sausages. I already have other snacks. I just forgot these ones whenever I went. So yeah, that's why I got these today. In love. We could stay out late until
can get that back. These boys so thirsty, they need water. These boys so thirsty, they need water. Another husband in my DMs, sir.
Whew. Y'all, I missed my lashes being full. Just got out. They look so good. Also, she gave me like 4 extra spoolies because I go through them every single time I travel. And then I always lose them. It's so bad.
Touching me like lightning, keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this, I don't know how